Hello everyone, welcome to Siddiqui Standard Institutions YouTube channel. Here I present you my daughter. Her name is Aisha Siddiqua, studying in 4th grade. So this session is totally about coding. Okay, in this session she will be handling electrical session where she will be executing 3 socket extension box wiring with execution. Are you ready, Aisha Siddiqua?
Sure, I will.
Will you do it?
I will.
Then give me a high five.
Yay.
Wow, continue.
Hello everyone, my name is Aisha Siddiqui. I am studying in 4th grade. My school name is Standard School of Education and our colony in Islamabad. So today I made an extension box myself and it's working. Look at the wiring and look at the front panel also. So guys, I used these tools to make an extension box. This is the back side of an extension box. And this is an automatic screwdriver of Black & Decker. And this is a cutter. And this is a tester. And this is a full set of screwdrivers. And this is a one-way switch. It has 2 terminals. Phase in, phase out. So this is an socket. It has 3 terminals. Remember that upper terminal is earth and lower is phase and neutral. Then let's see the color coding. The color coding of phase wire. The color coding of phase wire is RYB. What is RYB? RYB is R stands for red, Y stands for yellow, and B stands for blue. Black stands for neutral and green stands for earth. Phase and neutral wire creates a closed circuit of 230 volts. Earth wire is the path for fault current in the ground. Now let's do the wiring of 3 switches and 3 socket extension box. Take the phase wire to the input of the switch and loop it. Check the output to the socket's phase. Output to socket phase. Output to socket phase. It's neutral's turn. Loop it. It's Earth's turn. Loop it. That's very